Dr. Kenville, the Hammer Doc. After playing this Leslie 122 amplifier for a while, and as I was about to turn everything off, I heard the amp humming, and I looked at the tubes and noticed that the rear 6550 tube was red plating. So, I also attempted to change the volume pot, and the hum would not attenuate. So the hum remained the same, and of course the red plating was present. So I unplugged it and brought the amp back here, and I found that there was a cold solder joint right here that I've now repaired, but this leg of this resistor was loose, and it was slipped in and out, right? It was slipping in and out of the socket right here, so out of this joint. So I've added solder to it, and it is now tight. As you can see, it is now tight. And that was the problem. That was the cause of the hum and the red plating of the rear 6550 tube. So since I've done all this other work on this amplifier, I'm going to go ahead and replace this volume pot. I just don't have much confidence in this old thing. It's not even operating at full range. So next time I'm going to go ahead and pull this old one out, and I'll replace it with a brand new volume pot, and then I'll have more confidence, because when this leaves me, this amp is going to be working at peak efficiency. Alright, because this is the Hammond Doc at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated saying peace out.